In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay BEML Life Insurance Fund online payment. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official BEML Life Insurance Fund portal. It's important to make sure you are using the correct official website so your payment is secure and your policy details are updated properly. Once the portal loads, look for the login section and sign into your account using the required credentials such as your member ID, policy number, or any other information requested on the screen. Take your time here and enter everything carefully to avoid login errors. After you've signed in, the next step is to locate and select the correct policy or fund account that you want to pay for. If your account shows more than one policy or contribution option, double check that you're choosing the right one before moving forward. This helps ensure the payment is applied to the correct record. Once you've selected the policy, review the payment details displayed on the screen. This part is very important because you want to confirm the premium amount, the due date, and the policy information before making any payment. If something doesn't look right, it's best to pause and verify the information first rather than completing a payment with incorrect details. When everything looks correct, choose your preferred online payment method. Depending on what the portal supports, you may see options like net banking, debit card, credit card, UPI, or another digital payment method. Pick the option that is most convenient for you and then follow the on-screen prompts to continue. Make sure you have whatever you need ready, such as access to your banking app or card verification process, so the payment goes smoothly. Now go ahead and complete the payment. Confirm the transaction when prompted, and then wait for the portal to process it fully. During this stage, avoid refreshing the page, closing the browser, or pressing the back button because that can sometimes interrupt the payment process or cause confusion about whether the transaction was successful. After the payment is completed, save your receipt or payment confirmation right away. If there is an option to download or print the receipt, it's a good idea to keep a copy for your records. Finally, verify that the premium has been successfully credited to your account by checking the payment status or updated policy details on the portal. That way you can be confident your BEML Life Insurance Fund payment has been completed successfully.